Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my Zodiac sign series nail art tutorial videos for you. Next in my Zodiac sign series are Aries, and as you know, these series were inspired by the Zodiac collection from Coyle polish. So of course, as my base I will be using the Aries nail polish from her collection. Unfortunately, Coyle polish is currently being discontinued as a brand, so if you would like to put your hands on the Zodiac Signs collection, I would highly recommend you to head over to their website right now. They have great sales on all of their bundles, and so far the polishes that I tried from Coyle polish in general were all really good quality, and I really like them. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box below, so make sure you check that out before you leave my channel today. And also, if you just found me and you are not subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button. And if you like Zodiac sign nail art tutorials, then also hit the like button for this video. I think that's it for my intro. I will link for you everything in the description box as I mentioned, but if you have any questions or comments, just leave them for me in the comment section below. That will be it for my quick intro. Thank you guys so much for being here today and for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.